Hey, good morning. Routine consistency here. Here to show you how to grow $100 into $1,000 trading stocks. So this is my method. First thing we want to do, we want to go to Screener. Then we're going to go over to Market Cap, the small cap. Then from here, once this loads up, we want to go over to News. Then once this page loads up, we want to go to Latest News. We're going to hit Today. Then once this loads up, we're going to go to Change. Change again. Then from here, we're going to go to News one more time. Okay. So we're going to start with PROK. Okay, we see the account size. I deposited $30 just now, so now the account's at 137. So now we're looking for PROK. Let's see, we're on the weekly chart. Here we go. So we got the cross right here, and this looks like it could be a good trade. So now we're going to buy. So now we're going to trade with the third. So let's go to the calculator. 137 times 33%. So we can trade 45. I'm going to look at the chart one more time. Okay. So we see the cross happen right here. Okay, this is what we want. So we set a trade third. So we can technically trade with 45. So would that be around, let's go 19 shares, 45.03. Let's do 18 just to play it safe. Okay, review. Oh, trading got halted. Okay. So this usually comes up if a stock is exploding. The SEC will usually step in and halt the trade. So what we can do is we can dismiss, and we can choose to either wait it out to see if a move happens, or we can set a limit order. But this really is an ideal setup. So the best thing to do will be just to wait it out to see how long it stays halted. So in between that, we'll wait for a price change, and we'll see what's going on. Big volume. The cross happened right here. Big clearing bar. Learned that from Oliver Velez. So in between that, we're just going to wait it out. Or what we can do is set a limit order, because a halt, you don't know how long it's going to last. So the best thing we can do is just wait it out. And I'm going to keep on recording while we're waiting. Halted due to increased volatility. This is a market-wide trading halt. So we'll just wait. So what I'll do is I'll go to the news at PROK to see what happened. So we can see what happened. Okay. So we want to look at 7 a.m. Let's see what they reported. Okay, news came out today at 7 in the morning. They came out with some good news, some great news. So what we can do now is just wait. Go back to PROK and just wait it out. Okay. So I'll elaborate more on the cross. So I use the 40-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. Also learned that from Oliver Velez. So this cross right here, this is an entry point that I look for when this cross happens. If they're parallel, they can go up, but I'm more comfortable with the cross. So we'll just continue waiting. We will continue waiting. Yep. It could be halted for 2 minutes, it could be halted for 10 minutes, who knows how long. Okay. We can look at today's volume. 213 million. This thing is going crazy today. The average volume is 1.72 million. Okay, just waiting. Just gonna wait it out. But I want to thank you all for watching. And the reason why I started this channel is to I guess to be transparent on trading. You know, it's like just to see an account grow from a small number. Okay, so we see it's at 265. The halt stopped, so we're gonna go buy. And so now 137, we said 45. So let's go 14. 15. We can trade up to 45. So let's go 17. 16 to play it safe. Here we go. Okay, so the halt is still going on. Is it still halted? I guess they halted it again. We can technically trade with 45. So anyway, the reason why I started the YouTube channel is to show trade by trade. Like when I watch things, you know, I pretty much started this to show trade by trade an account growing, so that way you can emulate it, or if you have your own way of trading, it's just this is my method. So what we're gonna do is continue waiting. It went from the twos to the mid to high twos, and it just halted again. This volume is going crazy. So what I can do, I can try one more time. Let me see if they'll let us do a limit order at 265, but I shouldn't do that. I should wait until it's a defined move. They're halting it for a reason. Oh yeah, you can also look on StockTwits for more information on how to, if you're looking at a specific stock and you want to know more information about it, you can go on the StockTwits, type in the ticker symbol, and it'll show you different things. So I'll give you an example. So on FinViz will show you news of the stock, right? So in between that news, they have a thread right here, which is StockTwits. So people will comment. So that's about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Robinhood, see if the halt is still going or if it stopped, so we can get in. 265. Once again, this is the setup that I look for. That cross right there happens the same day, so just gonna keep waiting. Gonna keep on waiting. This is some big volume for a small cap stock. Usually you see the micro caps and nano caps having that big volume. So this is a big day for the stock being a small cap stock at that. So as for me, when it comes to the trading, this is something I thoroughly enjoy doing. I enjoy trading, I enjoy studying patterns, I enjoy watching videos about trading, watching different things of that nature. I enjoy it, and I just enjoy trading. Thoroughly enjoy it. So I want to thank y'all again for watching. And we'll see what happens with this stock. Here we go, 273. Let's see if we can get in. Oh, this thing's climbing. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to do 17 shares. Let's do 16, do 15 to play it safe. Here we go, 284. Let's see what happens. Oh, this might be a situation where we might have to chase. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it looks like, do we get filled? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, it got canceled. Did it get halted again? So let's try once again. 14 shares. Let's go 15, 16, let's go 15 to play it safe. It got halted again. Wow. This might be a big day for this stock. It got halted 3 times in a row that we've seen so far. So what we will do, we will wait one more time. Yep. But what we want to do, we want to stick to the routine. So that's why the name of the channel is Routine Consistency. Even though stocks are doing whatever they want, we have a routine. We stick to that routine. And we just keep on rolling. So this is a beautiful trade. This is a beautiful situation. It's almost like baseball when it's like you're pitching, like a pitcher against a batter, like a Roger Clemens against a Barry Bonds, like the best of the best going back and forth. So we as traders are watching, and the stock is doing what it's doing. I like this. I like it. So as you can see the time, it's 11:21 in the morning. Usually I like to trade around 11 o'clock. 9:30, you can trade during that time too. That's when it's really the most volatile, like that 9:30 to 9:40, almost 10 a.m. range. So the reason why I usually wait until 11 o'clock is because I like to trade off of the weekly chart. So each bar represents an hour. So this is based on 10 to 11 a.m. So this gives me an idea of the direction that the market's going into. And also I'm predominantly a swing trader. That's how I trade. I usually trade today and I sell the next day. That's how I like to trade. Also because we're still under, well, I'm still under the pattern day trade rule. I have a margin account, so. But I like this style of trading. It's more relaxed. I like trading with a third of the account because it's more relaxed. I don't have to obsess over the market when you have pretty much almost all your account in a single stock. And also, as you all can see, I like to trade one stock at a time. I like to focus everything on one and just trade that. Still at 284. It's gonna be a good length video. This is gonna be a good length video. But as you all can see, this is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Beautiful. So we're just gonna wait it out. Let's see, 284. We look at the daily chart too. This is what it looks like on a daily chart. Look at different time frames while we're waiting. Daily, weekly, monthly, 3 months, year to date, year, 5 year, max. So we're just waiting. According to this, it hit a high of 235. So we're just waiting. We are just waiting. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Whether you're at work, whether you're at home, whether you're walking, you're in your car, whatever you're doing. Y'all stay safe out there. So this right here is part of trading. You just wait it out. Wait it out. Here we go. So it dropped. So let's see. We're still going to enter. So we're going to do 14. Remember we said 45. 44.20. 17 may be the best. Let's see if we can enter at 17. It got halted again. Wow. Wow. So let's see if we can do a limit order. Buy 260. Limit order. Let's try a limit order. See how that goes. 247. So let's see, 14, 16. Let's go 18 shares. 18 at 247. Let's see if we get in there. Review. See if we get filled. Okay, we got placed. This is something right here. So we're going to wait it out. We're going to keep on waiting. We see that our order got placed at 247. And we will see. Go back to the weekly chart. Go back here again. This is what we're looking for. This narrow state. Learn the narrow state from Oliver Velez once again. Things narrow, then boom. I like this cross right here. This is normally my indicator to get in. Like if this bar, this green bar right here was up and these lines didn't cross, I would not take this trade. But this blue line, which is the 20 period moving average, crossing the 40 period moving average, this is telling me that the stock is moving in a bullish direction. So that's my cue to enter the trade. So, still playing the waiting game. We are still playing the waiting games. Beautiful video, beautiful trade. I do recommend though, I want to thank you all for watching me, but there are other traders out there. You can watch them too, learn from them as well. You know, any trader you like. For me, Oliver Velez was a big influence. Tim Sykes, big influence. It's so many traders. You know, Stephen Duck, Sean Dekmar, Tony Ivanov, Sasha Ebnikov, so many different traders. Cameron Foose, Matt Owens, a lot of people, a lot. So while we're waiting, just seeing what's going on. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention Day Trading Addict too. Y'all watch him too. Everybody. Any trader that helps y'all learn and grow your account and improve as a trader, you know, watch them. But thank y'all for watching this too. So the trade is halted once again. So let me see. I will cancel this limit order just in case it moves, because this thing is halted like crazy. We'll wait it out a little bit longer. Okay, the video's still recording. Just want to make sure it's still recording. Let's go back to FinViz real quick. And let's see if this is still the top stock on the screener. Because it could have been halted and something else could have jumped in front, but nope. Not at all. This thing is still the top one. Yep, thing is still the top gaining stock. Alright, still waiting. Alright, we dropped down to 250. Let's see if we can get an entry. Limit order at 250. See if we can get a limit order at 2. Let's go 14 shares. Let's see, 15, 16, 45, 22. Let's go 16 to play it safe. Let's see if we can get in here. At 42, let's see. Let's see. It's placed. Let's give it some time. 267. Let's see if we got in. 267. I'll replace. Let's see if we can replace it. 276. So let's lock in at 277. Let's see if they get us in right there. Dang. Okay. This is a situation where we're chasing. So let's go 285. Oh, sorry about that. Replace. Let's see if we get in at 285 just to lock in. Price/trade update order. Let's see if we can get in here. Update order. So the best thing to do in this scenario is to slow it down. Just slow it down, remain calm in the trade. Remain calm in the trade. So here we go. Let's make sure everything in here is canceled. Everything's canceled. So this is what we want to do. Buy. We're at 267. We're going to go limit order. The bid and the ask is at 280. So what we'll do 15 shares at 280. We'll review. You're placing the goods, so cancel the order. Share for better bid 267. The ask is 268. So what we can do, we can lower it. We can look, because the ask is 268. So let's go to 2.69 and see if we get filled like that. And let's crank this up to 16. So here we go. Let's see if we get filled. This is an interesting stock right here. This is an interesting trade. I want to thank y'all for watching. This is, as y'all can see, this is what's going on. I believe it got halted again because it's not, this may be the 4th time this trade has been halted since we've been watching it. But the volume is steadily growing. So as the volume grows, they halt it. And then they let it go, then the volume grows, and they halt it again. But eventually, they're going to let it go. They're going to let it go. And what's going to happen is, it could be showing up on people's screeners now, but you never know. It could go the first day, it could go again the second day. You just never know. All we can do is go off the routine. You know, so I look at it like it's all in God's hands. Okay, so we're still sitting at 267. We will see. We'll go back to Finviz to see if they're saying anything else about it on Stock Choice. We're going to check to see if it's still the #1 gainer. Still there. Still top gainer among the small cap stocks with the recent news. Okay, so we are still waiting. We're going to see if it moved here. If there was any other news that came out. Let's go ahead and check over here. Nothing so far, still from 7 a.m. $267, still waiting, but it's worth the wait. It is worth the wait. Yep. We are going to wait it out. So as we're waiting, I'm gonna go ahead, sit down somewhere, get comfortable. When it's a beautiful day, get somewhere in the shade. Still waiting at 267. I think these halts are eventually going to end, and this stock has the potential to take off. Maybe word is getting out. Maybe people might be sharing it, might be talking about it. Might be a lot more people watching it. Ideal situation, we get in, then people don't find out about it until later on today and into the next day, because that's the plan on when to get out the following day. Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Yep, still waiting for the halt to end. Yep. So as you can all tell by now, I like to trade outside. Be out here. Yep. So we're still waiting. Okay. So I wonder if the bid changed. Let's see. Remember, it was at 280, so now it's at 288. $270. Okay, the thing moved. Let's see if nothing got placed. Let's cancel this limit order. Boom. So now looks like we're at 291. Let's try to get in now. Buy. 15. This is good. This is good. 294. Let's see if we can get in. If they got rid of the halt. All right, we're in the game. 15 shares. So now we got in at 293. So this is what we want to do. We want to take 293 minus a third. So 33%. 196. So the reason why I set my stop loss at a third is because I want to give the stock room to wiggle. So 196. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to go trade. Stop limit order. So I'm going let's do 195. 1.95. Good. Number of shares 15. And there we go. Okay, so we got filled at 293. We got in for this reason right here. And there was great news as well. So we'll see what happens. Until next time, traders.